Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set message controls on Instagram. So let's get started. First, we're going to tap here to go to our profile. Next, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. Next, we're going to select settings, privacy, and messages. As you can see, we are not receiving message requests from anyone. Then we can set, for example, other people on Instagram. We want to receive message requests. Update. For people on Facebook, we also want to receive message requests. For our followers on Instagram, also we want to receive message requests. And another setting we have, who can add you to groups? Everyone on Instagram? No, let's set that to only people you follow on Instagram. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!